I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faye, if you guys didn't know that already, and today I'm going to be doing a get to know me tag. That's where the words are gonna go. I said I was gonna do this about a few months ago and I completely forgot about it, and I just got to 40k followers on Instagram. So I just feel like this is like the perfect video for you guys to get to know me, get to know what I'm about, what I do. I posted this on my Instagram a few days ago and you guys went in the comments. You guys were commenting, asking different questions, and I was so happy because I'm gonna answer them all right here. Before I go any further, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. I'm gonna be way more consistent, or trying to be way more consistent on YouTube, so keep me accountable because I will be posting all the time. Make sure you guys stick around to the end because I'm gonna be announcing a giveaway and how to enter. So let's dive in. Side note, a lot of you guys asked the same questions, so I'm just gonna compile them to the most popular questions you guys asked, or the questions that I want to answer the most. All right, so the first question is, how old are you? Ooh, I'm surprised you guys didn't know. Actually, I'm gonna wait. You guys can comment below how old do you think I am. I'll wait. Drum roll. I am 23. I turned 23 June 20. I was got my birthday wrong. I turned 23 June 29th this year. Did any of y'all guess right? See. Where are you from? Okay, this is perfect because I'm just gonna go into a little background about me. So I was born in Nigeria, specifically Ibadan, in 1997, and about a year later we moved to the States. I actually don't really know this that well because I was very young, but I believe we lived in New Orleans, and then we moved to Wisconsin, where I spent like majority of my life, my good forming years. I spent that in Wisconsin. And then when I was 14, when I was about 14, I moved to Atlanta, and that's where I've been basically ever since, up until now. All right, next question. Do you like dogs? I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed with dogs. Like, I love them to death. The only thing is I can't actually take care of them. I want to be like the cool auntie that comes and gives them snacks, treats, fun, plays with them, takes them out, and then return them to their owner. That's as much as I would do. But if you bring me around an adorable puppy, I will be obsessed. Y'all have been asking me this question, I swear, almost every time I post. What app do I use to edit? The apps are InShot. I use InShot for videos. Most of my videos I use and edit on InShot if I don't want to edit it on my computer. For my pictures, I use Facetune. So for like cleaning up backgrounds, just cleaning up the picture as a whole, I use Facetune. That's my app. And then the other thing is Visco, my last app that I use for everything. Every picture or video you've seen of me, I will edit that on Visco. So InShot, Facetune, Visco. Next question is favorite series. So I'm just gonna give you guys my favorite series for like different genres. For my reality shows, you guys may already know, but Love Island, that is my favorite reality show ever, period, point blank, the end. My next favorite TV show or TV series is kind of like my overall, so I think this is what the question is referring to. But my favorite series is Game of Thrones. There's literally no show that can even compare, in my opinion. But I'm actually looking for new shows, so if you guys have any suggestions, please comment below. I will be looking through those suggestions and looking for a new show to watch. So this question is, can you speak another language? So yes, I can. I can speak Spanish. The other language I speak, and I will claim, is Yoruba. I don't even want to hear it. I know that everyone always makes fun of me when I speak Yoruba because I have an American accent, but I feel like I can speak Yoruba. So what was my favorite year in school? Honestly, all my years in college were amazing. I honestly wouldn't trade it for anything. But all my friends know freshman year was a vibe. That's the year that I met some of my closest friends now. So I can't even say any other year. Okay, so my next question is, are you a full-time influencer? I get this question a lot as well. No, I'm actually not a full-time influencer. You guys do not know this at all, I know you guys, but I actually have a full-time job. So I split my time between my job and creating content on the side. I wake up around 5 a.m. every morning, Monday through Friday, and I work till about 2 a.m. What? No. I work till about 2 p.m. If I need to shoot anything or film or take pictures, I will do that after 2. So I split my time. It is a bit stressful. It definitely does get a lot, but I enjoy doing both, so that's what I do. Okay, so I switched over to my sister's iPad because my phone was about to die. But the next question was, what was your major? I'm pretty sure I already answered this, but I was a civil engineering major with a Spanish minor. Actually, there was another question that was similar. What made me choose engineering? I picked this major maybe about halfway through my college experience. I did not start off engineering at all. In fact, I was pre-med. Yes, I was pre-med. To this day, I can't imagine myself going into medical school because that's like another life. Yeah, that's not my life right now. I decided to do engineering because of a lot of my mentors in the school were engineering. As I was talking to them and basically doing a lot of research, that's what I did. I did probably all of my sophomore year. I was doing research into different fields and kind of what I want to do. Because I liked physics, chemistry, math, it kind of basically, that's basically engineering. So it kind of was a no-brainer. That's kind of the field I needed to move into. And so from all that, I focused on civil engineering, and then I also minored in Spanish. Okay, so this isn't even a question, but I really like this comment. He said, I followed you from TikTok to Instagram. That's to say I got so much love for you. And then the Nigerian flag. I love you guys so much, especially my TikTok followers. You guys saw me basically the whole summer. I was on TikTok very, very heavy. So I appreciate you guys so much, and I love you too. How many siblings do you have? Okay, so I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. You guys may have already met them already because I posted a cruise vlog with them, many vlogs with them all the time, and I'm going to be posting more vlogs with them when everything goes back to normal. I miss them and love them so much. Have you ever been to Nigeria? What? What kind of question is that? I have been to Nigeria many times. Obviously, I was born there. Many people do not know, but I went to boarding school in Nigeria. I actually forgot to mention that when I was talking about my whole, like, where I lived. I did spend almost a year in boarding school in Nigeria, in Abuja. It was an interesting experience. Timmy and I were both sent there to kind of experience Nigeria life. So, yeah. I was sent to Nigeria. But on top of that, I also have spent the last 2 Decembers in Nigeria, so I definitely have been there recently. My favorite foundation is hands down Maybelline Fit Me. This is my favorite foundation ever because of the price and also because it actually has great coverage. Don't sleep. And then my second favorite thing is my NARS concealer. I use this back and forth with the LA Girl concealers. I just like the NARS better because of the application stick. The last thing that I recently fell in love with is the Fenty Beauty bronzer powder. Oh, it's a reflection. It is beautiful. Like, I feel like it really just warms up any face. So if you guys do not use bronzer or use this Fenty bronzer, you guys need to get that ASAP. So those are my top 3 makeup products that I use almost every day. Let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial. I know some people have been asking me for that. All right, so this question is from Cassie, and I'm gonna at you right now. She said, is your forehead really that big in person? Yes, it's even bigger. What difficulties did you face when you first started your YouTube channel? I feel like YouTube is all about being consistent, and that's one of the hardest things for me to do. Another difficulty I have is just like figuring out like what type of content I want to do. If you guys have any ideas of anything you guys want me to shoot, just comment below because I'm definitely open for suggestions. Other thing that was the most difficult for me when I first started was probably finding the time to shoot. I feel like I was always pushing it off, like, oh, I'll do that next week, I'll always do that next week. So if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel and don't know where to start, I would just say start now. I can't even imagine if I started when I first said I was gonna start, I would definitely have so much more videos by now because I just waited and pushed it off for no reason. So start now. The next question is, do you live with Kitana? Kito? Do I live with you, Kito?
No. Where money at?
What you talking about? I paid it last month. But anyways,
did I know that you're my little sister or something?
But anyways, yes, I live with her, and this goes right in hand with my next question, which is, do you love filming with your with our sister? I should have guessed that you meant your with a Y. Do you love filming with your sister, and sometimes can it be stressful?
Yes.
Honestly, it's so stressful with me being her sister because like she's just so extra. But like I feel like for her, it's like the best thing ever because I'm just so easy.
Cut the camera, cut the camera.
I cook for her, I clean, like I cook for her, I take her photos, like what more can she
clean?
What more can she ask for?
No, okay, I mean we've already talked about this, but maybe for this video, she got quarantined here and has been here for the last 6-7 months.
I've been here for way too long.
It's been a long time. We get along so well that like I'm so grateful to have her around. This is the only time I'll say it.
What's known doesn't have to be explained, period.
Bye guys!
So, the next question is, what do I do for a living? I kind of touched on this earlier when I said I woke up at 5 a.m. But I am a consultant. I started about a month and a half ago. So I'm basically a pro. How big is your closet? It's non-existent. I don't have a closet right now. I'm basically living out of a suitcase. Not even a big suitcase. I'm living out of a carry-on. It's actually very interesting that you asked that question because how do you know? Do my business? Don't do that. I always skipped over the question that most of you guys want to know. Am I in a relationship? Am I single? Do I got a babe? Do I got a boo? The answer is no, I'm not in a relationship. I'm currently single. If you heard otherwise, it's false. Fake news. Oh my god, it's so dark. I wasn't able to get to all the questions, so let me know if you guys want me to do part 2 where I answer more of your questions, and you can also just comment them below and I will just include that in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and also share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Alright, giveaway time! I'm going to be giving away $100 to one lucky subscriber, and it's so easy to enter. All you have to do is like this video as well as my giveaway post on my Instagram and tag 2 friends in the comment section. You can also comment in this comment section below for an extra entry. Good luck, guys!
From now on, I'm gonna be my own